Hello, my name is Anthony, BMW Genius at BMW of Ridgefield. In the following video, I will be showing you how to use your paddle shifters. You can begin to operate the vehicle in two different modes. The vehicle can either be in sport mode or regular drive mode. The major difference between the two is that when the vehicle is in sport mode, the vehicle will not upshift for you unless you max the RPMs on the vehicle by hitting the red line. In drive, the vehicle will have more of an automatic experience, as the vehicle will switch into a higher gear before reaching max amount of RPMs. You can begin to use the paddle shifters whenever the vehicle is in motion. All you have to do is press or push one of your paddles to put the car in manual mode. The right paddle is used to upshift, while your left paddle is used to downshift. The transmission will also downshift for you in either D or S mode as you are coming to a stop. However, the vehicle will remain in the manual mode when you begin to accelerate again. When attempting to change gears, you do not need to release your foot off the gas, nor place it on the brake to change gears. You can even continue to press the gas in order for the vehicle to upshift. Please be sure to subscribe for more how-to and instructional videos. Thank you.